What? I'm sorry, what? Did you say that my hair didn't have any length to it? Like, who don't got no hang time? I'm sorry, what? 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 Thought you said I didn't have any inches. Oh, look, I
don't trust you. I don't trust you. I guess that you believe in me, but I don't trust you. I don't trust you. I don't trust you. I guess that you believe in me.
Hey again. Welcome back to my channel, Fine Coils. It is your girl, Cherise. And hello there to all of my kinks, coils, and curls. You guys, we are not doing anything that is not already familiar to you guys. This is nothing new. My hair is in dire need of a detox and just some good old TLC. So today we're doing a bentonite and apple cider vinegar clay mask just to purify my hair and scalp of just all of the gunk and mess that I've been putting it through these last couple weeks. And for my oils, I'm just gonna go ahead and apply my DIY aloe oil mix that I made a couple videos back. I'll have that linked in the description box below for you if you guys missed that. But yeah, I'm just gonna mix that together. And I went ahead and just added that oil because it has all of my favorite oils that I add to my clay mask. So that's why I just went ahead and added that. Ooey gooey. But yes, it's ready. But y'all, my hair needs some love and affection. Y'all know that I've been doing a lot these last couple of weeks, you know, putting out videos and content for y'all. And so, you know, my hair has been through the ringer. It really needs some love. So I've still got product buildup left in it from that last killer combo that I did. Look at my hair, y'all. Look at this. Like I'm just gonna shut up with the Shea Moisture and the Extreme Line Gel. So with my water and my little clips, we're gonna get started. Wait, if you have not liked, commented, shared, or subscribed, now is your chance to do so, and it's free, sis. Join the Fine Coil family. Let's go. So this isn't a tutorial because I've already got a video of myself doing this, but you want to start off by sectioning off your hair. I like to start with the front section because that is my problem area, and that is where I get the most frizz and the least amount of definition. So I am just tying the back of my... One second, y'all. One second. I got it. So I'm just tying the back of my hair up, and I'm gonna start on the left side, which is your right, I believe. That is where I have the most frizz. So I'm gonna start off there, and I am going to talk about the benefits in just a little bit, and you'll also find them linked in the description box below. But you want to make sure that you are working with soaked hair. You can even try damp hair, but the wetter, the more slip that will be created, so the easier it'll be to distribute evenly through your hair, because you really can't detangle too much while this is in there. You can kind of like breathe, you know, lightly finger detangle, but that's about it. And make sure you don't get that in your eyes. That would be absolutely horrible. So yeah. Nice and creamy, how I like it. And we just apply. And you guys will see me using the prayer hands method a lot with this. I'm kind of just pressing it into my hair strands. Make sure you focus on your ends, because although your ends are the oldest part of your hair, they are very important. They're probably what polish off your look and make your hairstyles look the best, if you ask me. So you want to get it into your roots and onto your scalp, because it is a detoxer or detoxifier. I don't know if detox is a word, right? Whatever. It's a detoxifier, so it's a purifier, so it's gonna detox and purify your scalp and your hair strands. So it's gonna get all that gunk that was left over by Shea Moisture. Thank you guys very much. It's gonna get all that gunk right up out of there. So, you know, like I said, don't try to be cute with this. This is a very messy process, but it is so worth it, you guys. Just wait till the end. It's so worth it. So since I'm doing a voiceover anyway, I thought I would do some research and give you guys a better understanding of the benefits of bentonite clay and apple cider vinegar masks. So bentonite clay is a mud-like substance derived from volcanic ash. It's a naturally fine and soft texture that can be mixed with water, apple cider vinegar, or aloe vera juice to make a mask that you can use on your face or hair that adds moisture and removes toxins. And since I paired my clay with apple cider vinegar, I will give you the benefits of that. ACV is praised for being rich in vitamins and minerals good for hair, like vitamin C and B. Some also claim to contain alpha hydroxy acid that helps exfoliate the scalp, skin, and it's anti-inflammatory, which help with dandruff. This is all the shedding I got. And I still have a whole bunch left. I know I'm making a mess and this is getting all over my robe, but it is laundry weekend anyway, so it shall get cleaned. Everybody loves a good bentonite clay mask, you know? I will be deep conditioning, of course. And I'm gonna use one of my main choice deep conditioners just cause why not? They're the best. And if you got it, boo, blow on it. No glob of clay left behind. But yeah, so I'm done. I'm all out of clay now. Oh, there's more. This is my problem area. I see definition. I don't know about nobody